I want to show you an exciting 100x meme coin, which I think would take off really, really well. I think it's very sustainable, and I think 100x is actually realistic for this target. And even if it's a 90x or a 75x, is still good gains. My name's ALTBAE. I love crypto, no FOMO. None of this is financial advice. Please do further research before investing in any money, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Now, I'm going to bring up the token now. So this isn't the token. It's very similar to Wojak. So Wojak is a very popular meme, which has a $71 million market cap. So the actual token I want to talk about today is SUIJAK. So SUIJAK or SUIJAK, depending on how you want to pronounce it, is I'll call it SUI, the SUI version of Wojak. So SUI is all about water. This is why it's in blue. We've seen so many meme coins that don't have character, they don't really have much of a following, but they still do really, really well. Some of them are like one one hit wonders. Like recently, I just missed out on Shaq on Solana, which I think is a dead project, but SUIJAK you're getting in very, very early. So I've got a Patreon tier. So this video is going to go to my Patreon, so consider subscribing to that. So it's not all going to be about memes, but I just want to bring this one out early. Yeah, so let me go onto the chart. I will go onto the Dexscreener chart before I go back to the website. I'll put the contract address in the description below. Yeah, so this has only been out for a short while here. So it says, what's that, the 4th of October? So it's not even 1 month old. It had an initial pump from what's that, like, was it 50 or 30? Well, it depends on when you got in early. From the 4th, it went all the way up to like 2.7 million US dollars. And I have seen, I think there's like 3 YouTubers who have covered SUIJAK. I've not checked their videos. I just wanted to see how many. So what I think, I mean, it's up to you what you want to do is you want to buy when nobody is talking about this token. Okay, I've made massive mistakes which I wish I didn't do, and I'm not saying that this is going to be like a great success or a great failure. This is up to you to decide. But I think SUIJAK is really, really, really good. So if you followed my channel before, I talked about Troll and it was like about 304 or 400k market cap. So when you look at Wojak, which is on the Ethereum network, with all the gas fees are ridiculously high. Well, they can be anyway if the network is busy. So $71 million market cap, 24-hour trading volume of almost $7 million. So there is potential here. There are a couple of other Wojaks as well. They're not very good, so people just really concentrate on Wojak. But SUI is really becoming popular. And as big YouTubers talk about SUI, like we had Superman talked about, was it Tinkle? I mean, I think he's discovered other ones as well. But you've got other big tokens, big uh, crypto influencers who like the SUI network, and it's just something different. It seems to be longer lasting than the Tron network, in my opinion, especially for meme coins. Um, what you need to do is you would need to have a SUI wallet. So there is a SUI wallet. If you have a Chrome extension, you can download the SUI wallet, and it depends upon your country. So if you're from the UK, you have an iPhone, you can't download SUI wallet. On your phone, you'd need to have like an Android phone. But there might be kind of alternatives as well, like Nightly. I think there is one for Nightly, but I haven't been able to figure out how to use Nightly. So I use a SUI wallet, Chrome extension, and I have a spare like cheap Android phone, which I just use for crypto. Um, yeah, so what you want to do, if you do wish to buy this is on BlueMove. So you can go onto bluemove.com. You can put the contract address in, or you can look here. So I'm gonna put on both versions. I don't know what BlueMove swap. I'll just put on here. So this is presuming you got your Sui wallet ready. Just takes a bit load. So you connect your wallet. I'm gonna put the like the BlueMove contract address in the description below, and you just find the wallet, the contract, and then instead of this BlueMove, it will have the SUIJAK token in it, and you'll just swap, and just maybe leave a little bit of leave a little bit of gas fees in there as well. So nothing too much, like even 5 or 10 SUI, just to have on standby, and then just when if you do want to sell, just sell bit by bit, really. Yeah, so I think this has huge potential. I'm not going to really go on too much longer, but I just think here, look, just to recap, it's a very memorable, get my words out right, very memorable meme. And when Wojak does well, I'm sure SUIJAK will follow, because people want these to get in when it's quite cheap at this market cap. So just let's say $350,000 market cap, a 10x would be to 3.5 million. Um, and then yeah, so to 3.5 million, roundabout there is a 10x, and to $35 million, which is half of this, is a 100x potential. So yeah, I think you should consider looking at this. I'm not saying to buy in today, as I said, none of this is financial advice, but I think this is one to have on your radar. Set up that Sui wallet, and just leave a like on the video, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And a reminder, I've got a Patreon link in the description below, where I want to basically uncover these gems before anyone else. And I need your support to do it. Thank you.